Revamping trust when you've harmed somebody. You wrecked. Perhaps you lied and hurt your accomplice or retained data you thought would hurt them. Regardless of your reasons, you realize you caused them agony, and you feel horrendous. You may feel like you defectively show them they can confide in you once more. To start with, it's imperative to comprehend that the messed up trust might be hopeless. Yet, if you both want to deal with fixing the relationship, there are 5 useful advances. 1. Consider why you did it. Before you set out on the way toward modifying trust, you'll initially need to check in with yourself to comprehend why you did it. Is it conceivable that you needed to cut off the friendship yet didn't have a clue how to? Or then again, were there explicit necessities that weren't being met by your accomplice? Or then again, was it simply a stupid slip-up? Understanding the thought processes behind your conduct can be troublesome, however, it's a vital piece of remaking trust. 2. Apologize earnestly. If you lied, cheated, or in any case harmed your accomplice's confidence in you, a veritable statement of regret is a decent method to begin offering reparations. It's imperative to recognize you committed an error. Simply recollect that your statement of regret isn't an ideal opportunity to legitimize your activities or clarify the circumstance. On the off chance that a few elements affected your activities, you can generally share these with your accomplice after saying sorry and possessing your part in the circumstance. Try to follow up by revealing to them how you expect to try not to commit a similar error once more. If you don't know what they need from you to chip away at the relationship, you can inquire. Simply ensure you're prepared to effectively tune into their answer. 3. Give your accomplice time. Regardless of whether you're prepared to apologize, talk about what occurred, and start working through things, your accomplice may not feel prepared at this point. It can require some investment to deal with treachery or broken trust. Individuals unexpectedly measure things, as well. Your accomplice should talk immediately. However, they additionally may require days or weeks before they can address the issue with you. It's essential to try not to compel them to have a conversation before they're prepared. Apologize and let your accomplice realize you're prepared when they are. In case you're battling meanwhile, consider conversing with an advisor who can offer unprejudiced and steady direction. 4. Let their necessities manage you. Your accomplice may require reality before they can examine what occurred. Also, frequently, this may include actual space. This may be hard to confront, yet regarding your accomplice's limits and needs can go far toward showing them they can rely upon you once more. Your accomplice may need more straightforwardness and correspondence from you later on. This is normal after selling out of trust. You may even eagerly impart your telephone and PC to your accomplice to demonstrate your genuineness. In any case, on the off chance that you've gained some headway in fixing your relationship and your accomplice keeps on checking your exercises and correspondences with others, conversing with a couples advocate can help. 5. Commit to clear correspondence. In the quick outcome of broken trust, you'll need to sincerely respond to your accomplice's inquiries and focus on being open with them later on. To do this, you need to ensure you're sure about the degree of correspondence they need. Suppose you broke their trust by retaining some data you didn't believe was truly significant, and you didn't comprehend why they felt so sold out. This can show there's a more profound issue with correspondence in your relationship. If you need to fix your relationship and try not to hurt your accomplice again, later on, you need to arrive at a common comprehension of what great correspondence resembles. Miscommunications or errors can here and there cause as much agony as purposeful untruthfulness. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Wise Thinking and take care of yourself and each other. Hopeless. Yet, if you both want to deal with fixing the relationship, there are 5 useful advances you can take.